Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to go over one of our kind of regular calls we get from time to time, which is a hydraulic fuel leak. So first we get the call, it was about 10 o'clock for a Boeing 767 that was having a hydraulic leak. So you can see here, moderate. When we get on scene, we want to make sure that, that there's no fire, obviously. We're there to protect life, so we want to make sure there's nobody around to get hurt. And then also we want to size up how big the spill is. We usually go by dimensions, 10 feet by 10 feet, because it's hard to say exactly how much gallons or liters is on the ground. But you can see here, that's kind of how it started. We put some kitty litter or absorbent on the ground to start. These are our trucks we bring on scene. So we would come in with, this is a Oshkosh Striker, 1,500 gallons of water. We also have some foam if needed, and then also some dry chemical to kind of put out any like live 3D fires that are coming at you. Our other truck there is a Pure Saber, so that carries the personnel more so, and then also our equipment, our tools, and then our shovels and our brooms and everything to help sweep and clean up. So you can see there, that's what they're doing here. Each airlines also has their own absorbent as well, so we all kind of work together to clean up the mess. We try to make sure that we have our protective gear on. It was a windy night, so we had our eye protection. It was dark, so we use our trucks to light up the scene, as you can see here. And then we try to, basically stay upwind and from that mist and spray, because it was an active leak, so that's why the call took so long. We had to wait for the mechanics to try to shut down or depressurize the hydraulic lines. So there's the leak there. I believe it's coming from the actuators, which is why that's why those actuators are showing, because the flaps which come down and slow down the plane, they were stuck down because the hydraulic leak wouldn't allow them to retract. So this is kind of the hydraulic system. So we were looking kind of over here. The hydraulic line was leaking right about this point here. So this is it when it's actually working. So the flaps are used to slow down the aircraft when they come in. And the hydraulic system is also used for different types of appliances, landing gear, nose gear, steering, brakes, wing flaps. So there's multiple types of fluids. Now they use kind of like synthetic hydraulic fluid is more popular because it's reduced flammability hazards. Its flash point is twice that of the previous non-synthetic fluid. So once on fire, the spread of the flames rate is a lot slower. So you can see here, everything is tight. The fluid it can't be compressed. So that's why it has about 3,000 pounds of PSI of pressure in order to move. This is a lot of equipment to move, so it needs a lot of pressure in that fluid to push these flaps down. So when we're on scene, we have to kind of see like what could harm us, so we don't want to be cutting lines or be anywhere near that high pressure lines if possible. And basically that's kind of what we were looking at. The mechanics came and kind of stopped it, and then we cleaned up soaked up all of the fluid on the ground. And I basically wanted to see if anybody knew anything about aircrafts that could maybe comment below if you have any experience with these type of aircraft. This was a Boeing 767. But I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.